Hello guys, welcome back to Coin Engineer. Today I want to talk to you about real world assets. I'm going to talk about what they are, why you should be bullish on real world assets, and we're also going to take a look at a few projects, some quite high market cap, some major projects, and then we're going to also look at some mid cap projects. A lot to talk about. If you are new to the channel, please hit like and subscribe, and let's get into it. So what is real world assets? Well, in the context of cryptocurrency, RWA, real world assets, it's the tokenization of tangible or physical assets such as real estate, commodities, stocks, could be luxury goods, land, infrastructure. It covers many things, and it allows people to own a piece of these real world assets in the form of a token and hold them on the blockchain. One example is the Aspen coin, which is a real estate project, and St. Regis, Aspen, Colorado is a resort in Colorado, and in order to generate funds for this project, they did a token sale, and there's a case study here. They raised, I think they raised 18 million. Yeah, they raised $18 million and they sold the Aspen coin, and that allowed investors like me and you, anybody, to invest in this resort and hold a share of the resort in the form of a token on the blockchain. And you can see they sold the Aspen coin at $1 per share. They had a pre-sale and it was at 18 million hard cap. People contributed using USD, Euro, Bitcoin or ETH. Since it launched within 18 months, the price of the Aspen coin was up 30%. In the future, it's likely it could be worth much more than that, who knows? But this is just an example of real world assets on the blockchain in practice. And this can apply to anything really that's physical. The benefits of this allows traditionally liquid assets like real estate or things like art, for example. It allows these to be traded on secondary markets. It allows people to invest in anything. In this case, it's a property that could be worth millions of dollars. Anybody can own a small share of this, and you don't need to be a crazy, insanely wealthy person to invest in these mega real estate projects. It could be anybody. And there's people like Larry Fink, a tweet posted today actually, who's super bullish on RWA. He believes the future of real world assets, that everything will be tokenized. Someone's made a statement here. The current real world asset market cap is only a sixth of meme coins currently. So Larry Fink says RWA tokens are the next generation for market. So real world assets within crypto, the tokenization of real world assets is boundless. And in this episode, we're going to take a look at 5 projects that we like the look of. We're not holding any of these projects purely for research and educational purposes only. First up at 2 billion market cap. We're going to start from the highest market cap, work our way down. So number 1 is Ondo at 2 billion. Ondo is a RWA meets DeFi, and Ondo specializes in the tokenization of real world financial assets, particularly focusing on US Treasury securities. I mean, it's kind of boring stuff, but it allows cryptocurrency investors to invest in US government bonds, which are a lot less volatile than crypto, so a lot safer. And considering that the US Treasury market is worth around $27 trillion, it's a huge market, and you can clearly see they've already got a huge partnership with Morgan Stanley, BlackRock, so it's huge. It's currently sat at 2.06 billion. Yeah, it's done very well, and it launched. Well, CoinMarketCap has it down as it listed since January of this year. So yeah, it's strong, it's doing very well. This is definitely one of your safer plays if you do decide to buy some Ondo. Next we've got Shintai. One of the things is it's a tokenization platform, so where people can tokenize their real world assets. It's also got a marketplace where you can buy and sell your tokenized real world assets, and it's also a management platform for issuing tokens and keeping track of who owns what and ensuring regulatory compliance. They're based in Singapore, and they are actually regulated themselves. They're regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore. You can check out the website, find out all you need to know. So they've got some partners here, some clients. I did check out their X. They've posted some achievements for this month. They've had partnerships with Powerdime, partnership TPAT, but they've launched some kind of utility here, and they've also had another partnership. So they've had a busy month, doing very well. The building, you can tell by the price. They trade at 60 cents, 580 million market cap. Extremely strong project. They've done very well. Next up at 400 million, we've got Red Belly Network. This one is a very new one. It's only launched recently. And similar to the proofs one we looked at, this is a platform for the tokenization of real world assets. You see the tokenize, you can tokenize treasury bonds, private credit, carbon credits, real estate, insurance, commodities, derivatives. They also utilize their own patented blockchain, the super block, which you can see they've got some partnerships, I assume. University of Sydney, Liquidized Fireblocks, after tokenization. Yeah, they've got the patented L1, shows you how it works. You've got the investor, the real world asset, and Red Belly here, the Red Belly DApp. They've only been live recently, just listed on Mexi. You can check out the price, trade at 40 cents, 423 million. These are really new. They're only on Mexi right now, so if they are able to get on more exchanges, you'll see some more price actions. This is a really new, this is a young project, a very young project. So if you like getting in things early, take a look at Red Belly. Next up, we've got Clearpool. Clearpool is a borrowing and lending platform. It's currently not primarily used for our real world assets. However, in Q1, Clearpool are launching Ocean. So what Ocean do, they platform for tokenizing financial instruments such as treasury bills. They have their own stable coin, the USDX. And they also have something called Oxygen O2, which is a liquidity layer. Check out the website, it's pretty cool. So this launches in Q1. They've got something called Wavemaker, Ocean's RWA accelerator. Cpool is the token of Ocean. So Cpool is currently trading at 48 cents, at 348 million market cap. It's not done great since launch. Since 2022, they've been under launch price. But just recently, they've saw some kind of price action, bit of movement this past month, anticipating the launch of Ocean in Q1. So it may make some moves in 2025. There's definitely been some interest in anticipation of the launch of Ocean, so worth keeping an eye on. And finally, at 30 million market cap, we've got PropChain. PropChain focuses on real estate only. It allows users to invest in tokenized real estate and earn a return on investment. It says here, real estate capital market is an $11 trillion industry that is running on outdated systems, creating inefficiencies and high costs for all stakeholders. Our solution, PropChain's technology platform, brings the real estate capital market into the digital age by blockchain and AI. It's got AI as well, making it faster and more efficient. They have a token, PropC partners. They are based in Luxembourg and they are fully compliant with global regulations. So it says owning the PropC token gives you platform access, lets you take part in the DAO. It says that they offer an average annual return of 8 to 12%, and there are some properties here. It looks like they've got open for investment. So it's pretty cool. They seem to deal only in luxury real estate. So currently trading at $1.37 at 34.5 million. Relatively new. Chart doesn't look great, but it is quite a young project. So at 34 million, this is one of your more higher risk, higher reward type investments. If you do choose to buy PropC, please do some further research. It's just a brief overview. And if you guys have any questions, please head over to our Telegram group. We'll put the link in the description below. If you have any questions or you're not sure on anything, or you're new to crypto, you need some advice, head over to our group. Myself or a member of the team will be there, and we can help any way we can. As always, thank you all for tuning in. Please hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.